JetSono Pressure Washer is being hyped all over the internet as a revolutionary cleaning tool that promises military-grade durability and high-powered water pressure to blast away dirt from cars, patios, driveways, and more. But is it truly worth the money, or just another flashy gadget with big claims and little delivery? At first glance, it looks like the ultimate home cleaning solution, lightweight, easy to attach, and advertised to turn your garden hose into a professional-grade pressure washer. However, when you dig deeper, things get questionable. Many users who bought JetSono report that it feels more like a basic hose attachment than a powerful washer, offering only slightly more pressure than a standard spray nozzle. The military-grade claim sounds impressive, but there's no technical data, lab testing, or official certification to back it up. Several customers have also pointed out deceptive marketing practices like limited-time pricing that never actually ends, surprise charges at checkout, and a frustrating refund process that makes it difficult to get your money back if you're not satisfied. Some buyers even mention that the build quality feels cheap, with parts that break or leak within weeks. While it might be enough for light rinsing or watering plants, it doesn't live up to the hype of a real pressure washer for serious cleaning tasks. So before you get tempted by the slick ads and bold promises, make sure you know what you're getting. If you've used JetSono, share your experience in the comments. We want to hear the good, the bad, and everything in between. And if this review helped you avoid wasting your hard-earned cash, or at least made you think twice, hit that like and subscribe button for more brutally honest product breakdowns.